Welcome to Mallika Badrinath's kitchen. During festival season, generally we try to eat very heavy. That time, generally for everybody, will have some digestion problem. To prevent that, you can have a legume, Diwali legume. This year I am going to show you a betel leaf syrup. This can be diluted with milk or water. When you have very little, it's called as pond shots. Very little drink is enough to get digested. Betel leaves around 10 to 12 depending upon the size. This is sugar candy which I have crushed around 100 grams. This is 100 ml cup, 1 level cup. Around 1 teaspoon of betel nut. This is tutti frutti, 1 tablespoon. This is around 1.5 teaspoons of gulkand. This is green food color, optional. Generally, whenever we eat bida, we will be removing this stem part and this lower part. For that, we have to take out this like this. Remove everything, tear it roughly and then keep. Betel leaf. Along with that, add everything. Don't add water and then grind it coarsely. This is called as gulkand. Generally we all keep it in our house. This is made out of pink rose petals. Easily available in department stores. I am adding just 1.5 teaspoon of this. Grind this without adding water. You have to coarsely crush this. I have used 300 ml water here for this quantity. I am heating 300 ml of water here. Add this powdered sugar candy. If you want, you can add sugar also. Heat for a few minutes for this to dissolve completely. The sugar candy has dissolved completely. See, now this started boiling. Add this betel leaf which is crushed coarsely with other ingredients to this boiling syrup. Boil for another few minutes. This started boiling and I have kept it for 2 or 3 minutes for this to boil properly. After a few minutes, you can strain this using a mesh strainer. Just press it lightly. Do not overboil. Betel leaf syrup is ready. Before serving, we have to add 1/3 of syrup and another 2/3 water or milk. This is green food color. See, this is the natural color. If you want, you can retain like this. Otherwise, you can add a food color, very little. So after preparing this, we can store it in a container, that is in a bottle, in refrigerator. Whenever you want, just mix with milk or mix with water before serving. This is called as shot glass. I have to fill this little with the syrup. This is milk, cold milk. After dinner syrup, this is betel leaf syrup, this is pond shots, is ready.